Hey guys, today I'm going to show you part 2 of my videos on how to solve the 5x5 using block building. So where we left off is where we have a 3x3x4, and so I'm going to show you the next step. The next step is to expand it on this side where it makes a 3x3x1, expand it by that. So how we do that is that we get a corner like that, find an edge, and find an edge. So we place it on the top, bring it down so that it connects, get it out of the way, bring it back. Oh, and we see that we have this solved, and we didn't ruin any. Next step is that we have to get these. Okay, and let's think here. How do we get it in there? We have to find these edges first. No, I suck at finding edges. Alright, so it's the white and green. Alright, so not this, oh yeah, that one, because it can connect like that. And then, wait, we don't need these whites, never mind. Okay, we need the green, haha. Need the green, and we have this edge, and we connect these. Sorry, I keep messing. Alright, so we have this one. Now we have to get this edge. Alright, let's see here. Is it this edge that needs to be in there? No? Okay, well, it's the other one. Let's look for it. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, man. Where is it? Oh, huh. It's a double edge. Wow. I did not see that. Okay. So, what we can do that, get it out of the way, bring it back, and go like that. So we have this. To get that, well, how we got this was that I put a corner in there so that when we put it in there, it can already go. So, let's see. Well, we can get this on the top, like that. So, okay. And now what we can do, let's see what we can do here. Oh, we can just insert an edge, get it out of the way, bring it back, and bring this edge back. Then we bring all those back, so yeah. And now we pair the edge. So this one, we want this one, so it's not that one, and I think it's this one. Yeah, it has to be. Alright, so where is it? Oh shoot, I put it wrong place. Alright, okay, so now when we get it in there, we can match these up like that. Now we have to get this pair out of the way like that and bring those back so that okay. Now the reason why we did that was because we have this corner right here. We can just make an F2L, well, an F2L pair like that. So like we get it in like that, or you can use keyhole by like get it in there, done, back. Okay. The next step is that we get these. We have to get this entire one. Alright, So, how we do that is that we solve this one first, which is quite obvious. Okay, so we have to get it out of the way. Let's see, we can bring this in there by getting it in there, out of the way, bring it back. And the reason why we put it in this position is because that when we bring it up, over, and down, so that we can finish the center. Let's see, we have to get this. How? Well, the edge is right here. So, how are we gonna get that? Let's think here. How can... Okay. Alright, I think I got it. Well, we have to get this down. No, that would ruin it. Okay. We have to get this in there. Get it in. Somehow, we have to get it without messing it up. What is the way we can do it without messing this up? We can get it in, down, side, bring it back, so that we got this edge in. And this is already aligned. Get this. Nope. No, we can't do that. We can't do that and bring it out of the way, because it would mess this up. Okay, so we have to get this in. Let's try bringing this on the bottom. We can go like this. Insert. Done. But now we need an edge. So we can go like this. Out of the way. Oh, it ruined it though. Okay. Alright, so the way that we have to do this is we have to get an edge on the top. Alright, so we have an edge on the top, and make sure that we have another edge on here for other purposes. Okay, so we have to make a bar. But how do we make a bar without messing it up? Let's try getting this and bring it back. Alright, now we have this to fix. Well, is it gonna be easy? Well, if we do it like that and bring it up, let's see what it does. Oh yeah, and basically it messes it up. But it pairs it up for us, so we can use this to our advantage. We need a corner. So, right here. We need a corner on the bottom. Okay. So, like that. And then, get this out of the way. Alright, so we get this in. Now, we bring it up. Get it in and down. Oh, wait. Oh, no, we need an edge over here. That's weird. Oh. Right, so, we have the edge over here. Oh, this is confusing me now. This is like confusing me. Okay. Now that we have that, let's see. Oh, yeah. We can get this and bring it down. Finally. That took forever. Now we need this. How are we gonna do it though? Oh man, so much trouble. We need an edge over here. And, an edge over here. So, we have this. So, we have that. Get it up. you2 down, bring it down. Okay, so now where's the blue? Other blue and white. Come on, let's see. Alright, right here. Alright, so it's right here. Bring it up so that it makes a line. Bring it down, and we can just insert it in like that. Alright, so now we have these. Alright. So I have little memory on my camera left, so I'm just gonna make this. Basically what we have to do in the next step is we have to get this, and this along with these. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this one. It's gonna be really fast. Basically it's just like making centers on the reduction method. So we have to align it, bring it up, get out of the way, down, bring it on the front face, get it out of the way, up, and we have this done. Okay, so that's the end of part 2. Bye guys.